civil authority has issued fire warning for the following counties or areas. Yavapavi, Arizona, at 6:39 p.m. on July 4th, 2026, effective until 6:39 p.m. July 5th, 2026. Yavapavi Sheriff Alert 07/04/2026 3:35 p.m. There is a wildfire near Yarnell. Set status for 2405. Gather essential supplies. Prepare in case of evacuation. Info. https://gogenesis.com/orsxfr. A civil authority has issued fire warning for the following counties or areas. Yavapavi, Arizona, at 6:34 p.m. on July 4th, 2026, effective until 6:34 p.m. July 5th, 2026. Yavapavi Sheriff Alert 07/04/2026 3:30 p.m. Wildfire near Yarnell. This is a go order for 2411. Evacuate now toward Prescott. Info. https://gogenesis.com/UK853p. A civil authority has issued fire warning for the following counties or areas. Yavapavi, Arizona, at 2:41 p.m. on July 5th, 2026, effective until 1:41 p.m. July 6th, 2026. Yavapavi Sheriff Alert 07/05/2026-1405 HRS. Wildfire near Yarnell is no longer threatening. 2408, 2411, 2414, under said status may safety resume normal activities.